Okay, in example 2, we're going to look at a more sort of familiar equation, and that is speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. You can see in this particular worked example, we're looking to express a d for distance traveled. So first thing, let's just write the equation out fully. So speed is equal to distance traveled divided by time taken. And you can see on the right hand side, we currently have both d for distance and t for time. We really need to eliminate this t as a denominator on the right hand side, and to do that we need to multiply the right hand side by t. But if we multiply the right hand side by t, we need to also multiply the left hand side by t as well. So we've done the same mathematical operation to both sides of the equation. Again, I think it's useful really whenever you're starting to get used to this transposition or rearranging of equations to drop down a level. Let's try and really simplify what these two new mathematical operations leave each side of the equation to be. So the left-hand side just becomes ts, it's just t multiplied by s, and that's equal to d multiplied by t. And of course, that's all divided by t. You can see on the right-hand side now t divided by t, that's just any number divided by itself. As we've seen in the first video, is equal to 1. So those two numbers cancel out and equal 1. And then of course 1 multiplied by d, well that's just d. And there's no real need to show the 1 in front of the d there. If we just come down a level just to tidy this up just a little bit, we end up with then ts is equal to d. Alright. Now, I don't really want to leave the d on its own on the right hand side. So if I do rearrange the equation, we get d is equal to t multiplied by s. And that's the equation fully rearranged. You can now sub in your numbers to complete your calculation.